Hindi na ma-fair sa'yo. Hindi na ma-fair sa'yo. Swipe the base.
Hold the stem, then you like do this like this, huh? The napkin. Then first you wipe the base. Be sure the base not too like then must be clean. After hold the base, then
Finish.
and next the stem. So wiping the stem, that's the proper way, like this.
Proper
Yes.
way.
You circulate motion of the gas.
Okay, you shut up and you speak. Go.
Asan na tanapit?
Over again.
Okay. First, hold the stem. Yeah. Base. Yeah. Wipe the base. After wiping the base, wipe the body, the outer part, and with the lip. After that, you wipe the inner.
Then, okay, next, continue. Swipe the base, then hold, swipe, then the body, the inner, and
Base like this, no?
okay, next, continue. Okay, hold the stem, then wipe the cute. It's good. Then,
Camera shot.
and the stem, and the body,
Hindi na muna po.
the barrel, and inside of inner body. Then, that's it. First, the mouth, then you go to the stem. Just the mouth? I know, base, ma'am. Nakalimot na ko. Base, then go to the stem, and then you will wipe the mouth. Continue. Then continue here, then inside. Then wipe it. Next thing. Hold the stem. Who is one? You. Wipe the base. Latorium then the stem. Continue.
First hold the stem, then second wipe the base. Hold the
Stem. The stem will hold this way.
then wipe the body in the body.
Okay. Let me see. Put it against the light. Your glass. Give me. One by one. Stain. Next. Stain by the rim. Go. Polish more.
Here na, ma'am.
Stain at the bottom. Okay. Here, follow up.
Boy, perfect sa inyo.
Some more polishing over here.
Sino mo, wow, YouTube ni.
Stain. Okay, po.
Ano dilingan?
Oh, iligis ka mo itong here. Okay, good.
Ha? You're my good.
Open man yung mga
Can you exit the...
Okay.
Thank you very much for your cooperation. I will give this your picture.
Uy, kuya saan ni? Uy, tabang ni
And then, you will sana andaya.
Wala pa.
Uy.
Hey, hi, pud mo eh.
Hi!